Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the dish rack roller in your GE dishwasher, you will need needle nose pliers. Extend the upper rack assembly. Gently pry the tabs open to release the end caps on the slide rails. Now you can remove the rack from the slide rails. And set it on a flat surface. Use the needle nose pliers to compress the tabs on the dish rack roller assembly and remove the roller. To install the new roller, snap the roller into place on the roller assembly. Insert the sliders between the rollers to set the rack. Snap the end caps back onto the slide rails. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.